All right, so this is the Nelco Project. A couple of weeks ago, I met up with a guy named Philip Nelson, and he owns Nelco Media. And they had just bought a building. That building used to have a print shop in it. From mid 60s to about mid 90s is when it was in operation. And since they closed it, those machines had sat there, collecting dust, rust, and everything else. And it just stayed dormant. And the guy, they used upstairs and left the downstairs just useless. And so a lot of these were in poor condition. I was able to take them out. We had to scrap a lot of them, but I did get some good ones. I got a Heidelberg Windmill red ball with foil. I got an 8x12 CNP. And this gets interesting. I got some unidentified press that I have no clue what it is, and that's where I'm going to need you to help me identify this one, because I've done all the research that I could possibly do. And there's this other one. This one is real special. This is called the Hacker Test Press number 4. And if you don't know about it, it's extremely rare. Vandercook has a census on their website. And so far beforehand, there were 18 of these presses known to be in existence. And I'm number 19. I've got the 19th press. So to me, that is the coolest thing ever. So that's what this project is about. Is one is identifying that one press. Two is we're going to go through the whole restoration of the Hacker. And I'm doing some more work on the Heidelberg. You've seen me do work on Heidelbergs before, but this is just going to be kind of a once over, a recap. And then the other ones, I'm just going to try to just get new homes for it or something, because I have no room for these machines. And I've got to make room in my shop somehow and get rid of some of these presses. Whether it's the presses I just got or some other presses that I had before, I'm thinking I'm going to sell off one of my black ball Heidelbergs and keep this red ball. But anyway, it's the whole process. Check out the walkthrough. When I first walked through this building, I filmed it. It's nuts. All right, so here's a quick tour of the place. I just got the contract to clean this place out. It used to be a print shop from way back in the day. They started this place in the 60s, and now it's just nothing but machines. That's what I was looking for. There's a bunch of old machines that I still don't know what that one is, that are highly desired, but there's a bunch that are not. A bunch of 360s, some random duplicators. There's a Hamada with crest lines, an old camera, bunch of just crazy machines that are from back in the day. I'm taking this one. That one's especially going in my shop. We got a bunch of folders. We got a copier, a very early copier. Oh man, I don't even know what that is. This is an Intertype, a plate burner. Can't even get it up now. Okay, here we have some CNPs. There's a smaller 8x12. More just random offsets, a camera. This is a Harris offset press. This one is special. It's a Heidelberg Windmill red ball with foil. And here is a mealy press and a Craftsman cutter. Yeah, those are the machines we're gonna move those today. Everything. It's gonna be fun.